Olafur Eliasson built the New York City Waterfalls in 2008, his best-known work in the country. When invited by the Public Art Fund of New York City to create large-scale installations in direct dialogue with the city, Eliasson wanted to build structures that would be a response to the city's enormous size. In an area whose size could be confusing, he decided to build waterfalls, a calming symbol of natural phenomena, to help create a pervasive sense of peace. Eliasson describes his own experience of the city by saying, "In a city like New York, I have a hard time feeling my body, physically locating myself. That's why, in my opinion, waterfalls are a way to restore a sense of scale to Manhattan." 4 huge mechanical waterfalls were erected at specific locations along the East River as part of the temporary installation. The wind blew and the water fell into the river, exposing the building's scaffolding. It was not only intentional to be able to see the machines at work creating the waterfalls, they were also an integral part of the artwork. Eliasson's work helped his audience understand that they had the power to shape their own reality, and led them to think about how they could act somewhat independently in their own world. Like the video and subscribe to not miss our next videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon on Art Theory.